Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
I'm Niley.
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang up close and personal video ng ating Miss Universe Philippines Baguio, that's Tara Valencia. And this is a personality interview challenge. Ang mananalo sa challenge na ito ay automatically gets a spot on the semi-final. So, most number of votes sa Miss Universe Philippines app.
And to vote for Tara Valencia, I just need to download the Miss Universe Philippines app and then go to the challenge vote tab. Third tab siya sa pinakababa, and then scroll down, vote for the one you think should win the challenge.
If you think na si Tara na yon, don't forget to vote for her. Without any further ado, let's watch this. So, titignan muna natin ang kanyang naging pangkasuot.
OOTD.
Ayan. So, very madam. And then, yung kulay na ito, yung gantong klaseng kulay, parang hindi ko siya first time na nakita kay Tara. Very ube.
For me, it's very lavender. Lavender siya. Medyo mayroon siyang saturation na kumakagat, kumbaga. Hindi siya yung malamig.
Paano yung kagat niya? So, ayan. See you in Baguio, Char. Soon.
Wala pa kaming tutuluyan.
I really want to travel all around the world. Traveling has been one of my dreams since I was a child. That is why
Nandito siya kung theater child.
in the hopes of applying for a job under the airline industry.
May paano pa siya.
She's talaga, meron siyang aura ng Miss Universe. Ganyan, meron siyang ganong dating. Pero to be honest, weakness niya yung comm skills, I think.
Pero I feel like si Tara is bago matagal na siyang sumasali. No?
First time niya.
First time niya. I think she got the attitude, the personality, the looks, yung kanyang figure. Pero marami pa siyang mahuhon.
Yes, bata pa naman siya, 22 years old. So, if hindi niya ma-clinch yung crown, she can always come back.
Yes.
Tara is someone who is super jolly at home, and every time that I am jolly, I really listen to very upbeat music, and I really wanted to jive around the music.
Hindi parang siya yung isang searching nung nakaraan sa especially for you na yung sinasabi niya is very jolly but it doesn't match dun sa face. Yung parang gano'n na it's kind of weird pero I can feel her na totoo yung sinasabi niya. She's just like that.
I feel like nag-uuma po yung pagka-passionate niya sa isang bagay na sometimes sa sobrang passionate mo na overseed niya yung communications, hindi mo siya naipaparating, parang nauuna yung pagkagigil mo, pagkakilig mo, parang gano'n.
Well, I am an introvert, and I really want to turn these things around by really socializing, because it is on socializing that you get to tell people who you are and what you have become. Socializing has really now become my strength now that I am here in this Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you. Nakaka-happy. Nakaka-happy yun. Ano yan? Char. Hindi, nakaka-happy yun kasi I can relate to that na yung sa pagiging introvert, extrovert. Kasi somehow, yung personality natin na yun is minsan nakadepende sa mga tao sa paligid natin. Kasi 'di ba kapag may isang tao na gusto niyang maging extrovert dahil na overpower siya ng other people, parang naging introvert na lang siya kasi kayo na lang. Sa inyo na lang yung spotlight. Parang ganun. So, it's better to maging observant around you. Diba? And always give chance to other people who deserves to be there.
Actually, napaka-tag dito, wisdom yung sinasabi niya. Ito talaga yung sinasabi ko sa mga, kunwari, mga graduate lang na student, na kailangan yung gumawa ng network. So, kailangan nyo mag-network, kailangan nyo mag-socialize. So, networking is very important when it comes to professional life. Ganyan. And career na rin, career-wise, ganyan. And growing your personality.
Yeah, we can always adjust to the circumstances. Katulad ko, if needed na maging extrovert, kasi needed sa job or kailangan talaga, why not? Pero, di ba, may introvert talaga ako. So yun guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!